Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As the season changes and fall 2025 is in full swing, I've been reflecting on the little things that keep me grounded, happy, and motivated. Today, I'm sharing 5 hobbies that are genuinely making my life better right now. These aren't just pastimes, they're helping me stay creative, calm, and focused. So let's jump right in. My first hobby has to be reading. There's just something about fall that makes reading even more enjoyable. Maybe it's the cozy atmosphere or the quiet evenings. Right now, I'm into a mix of self-growth books and fiction. Reading helps me escape stress, while also giving me new perspectives and fresh ideas. I've found that just 20 minutes of reading every night improves my sleep and mindset the next morning. The second hobby is listening to music. Music has always been powerful for me, but lately I've been curating my own seasonal playlists, a mix of chill lo-fi beats, acoustic, and even some classical music while working. It helps me focus, makes workouts fun, and honestly, it just changes my mood instantly. Music is therapy, and it's something I rely on every single day. My third hobby is journaling. I've started writing every morning for about 10 minutes. Nothing fancy, just thoughts, reflections, and sometimes gratitude lists. This small habit helps me clear mental clutter, process emotions, and even track my progress toward goals. It's like having a conversation with yourself on paper. Simple but so effective. Number 4 is staying active. Fall weather is perfect for outdoor walks, and I've been enjoying early morning jogs or evening walks among the colorful leaves. On top of that, I've added some strength training at home. Not only is it good for my body, but it clears my mind and keeps my energy levels high. Exercise has truly become less of a chore and more of a lifestyle hobby I actually look forward to. And finally, the 5th hobby, gaming. It's my go-to way to relax after a busy day. Gaming helps me disconnect from stress and connect with friends online. Lately, I've been playing Insert Your Favorite Game here, and honestly, it's been such a fun way to balance productivity with entertainment. It reminds me that hobbies don't always have to be serious. Sometimes fun itself is the best therapy. So those are my 5 hobbies making my life better right now, this fall 2025. They keep me balanced, creative, and positive. I'd love to hear from you. What hobbies are helping you right now? Drop them in the comments below, and maybe I'll try some of them too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cozy this fall.